This isn't what it looks like.
What the hell, LJ? Looks like you're pretending to be me online.
Okay, maybe this is exactly what it looks like. But I can explain.
How long has this been going on?
A year? You were never supposed to find out. I was just trying to get a following on Facebook to promote my rap career. I promised I was going to stop.
You can't just pretend to be me online. I didn't even know you liked this stuff. All I ever see you do is playing Fortnite.
Well, I didn't at first, but after I answered the first question, we just kept getting more and more. I got a kick out of being helpful. It's also, well, people seem to really like you, Jerry.
Well, people seem to really like this Ask Jerry thing. Let's keep this going. But instead of pretending to be me, why don't you just try to learn something?
Do I have to?
If you want to keep your job.
Okay, but can I still keep rapping?
I don't care what you do in your spare time.
Great!